Here's the new mystery that's going on in my life. Why is it that I can jog 3 to 5 miles without one single solitary problem, but one flight up those stairs at a slow pace ends in heart failure? Alright, today's video is going to be relaxed. I'm in my kitchen and it's actually a very small haul. So because of that, I'm actually going to show you guys some things that I picked up at Walmart this morning. So that will be at the end of this video. I've got my coffee and I want to do my shout out for today. And I am dedicating this video to Kimberly Walters. In my last Dollar Tree haul, she said, "I love how many things you're obsessed with, LOL. Also, when you stare off into space after making a comment nearly has me spitting out my drink." Oh my gosh, this video definitely goes out to you, Kimberly. Thank you so much, and to everyone for commenting and engaging in my channel. You guys are hilarious, by the way. I don't know if I should do like a me reacting to your comments, but I am in stitches. Y'all are so funny. Plus, you always have my back. You always, tell me like words that I'm trying to find in my videos. I can't think of them, and then you all want to tell me and let me know. It is the sweetest thing, and I love you guys so much for that. But let's go ahead and move on to the haul. Oh, it is the best thing ever when the pot of coffee you make hits just right. Oh. PETA whipped out a new hat today, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently I have some guys watching the channel too. That's pretty interesting. I don't know if you're a guy. Comment down below. Anyway, but I think that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and dive into the Dollar Tree haul. Again, it's pretty small. So I want to show you guys that they put out a ton of these cute little, look how many I found. Isn't that crazy? Be grateful always. And you can just DIY these as well. So keep that in mind if you just want to scratch just whatever's going on. Maybe you like the frame and you like this backdrop, but this isn't your taste. Do something else, cover it up, Mod Podge something, and there you go. Maybe even a picture. You can print out a picture and you can Mod Podge an actual photo. This one says, there goes Loxy. "Do you need a crash cart?" This one's really adorable. It says, "Welcome to the jungle." Something that, has that nursery feel, but you could, I really love the wood trim here, so you could repurpose the back and then do something different there. This is Dinosaur Crossing. Super cute. I love all the boy stuff too. I feel like there's not enough of that when it comes to decor. This one's just beautiful the way it is. It's not centered. Do you see that? Somebody had one job. One is little kitty cats. They actually had multiple cats and multiple dog ones, but these were the two that I picked up to share with you guys. They were my favorites. The dog one's really cute. Yeah, so there's that. And then Believe in Magic. Super darling. But look at all the colors of the wood. Really beautiful. So you could definitely repurpose those and DIY them. So this is pretty random, and it's sticker note flags. You guys, up in my craft room, I have at least 50 of these. However, I still have yet to fully unpack. I have been filming myself organizing and stuff. I'm also sharing that room with my Christmas decor right now. So anyhow, I really needed these and couldn't find any. To be fair, I wasn't trying that hard. So I was just like, you know what, forget it. Like, I don't want to deal with the craft room right now. And that's one of the biggest problems on why I haven't gotten back to my planning videos. But anyway, I really needed this because I've been just kind of doing some research, things like that, blah, blah, blah. And I wanted to mark some stuff. So that's that. And I picked up some new puzzles. As soon as the quarantine thing hit about March 15th, puzzles were just gone. And finally they're starting to stock them back up, and I found the cutest ones. I feel like I've hauled this one before though, or something similar. But look at those dogs in the bakery. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then this one, very farmhouse. Love the barn, love the blue sky. It'd probably be really hard to do this one. Well, it's only 300, but the hay part looks really hard. So I got that one. And this one's 500. Look how intense this one is. What? Is that not so cute? They're just all kinds of little whimsical, it's like a little whimsical town. And then this one, I don't know why I grabbed for this one, but it's 300. And you have like a fairy princess with her unicorn. So gonna add that to my puzzle collection. I feel like I've done a puzzle collection video somewhere, somehow. Okay, the next things, I was actually pretty shocked. I don't pay attention to Legos and things like that. I know that they have their own store at a local mall near me. I know that it's a big deal. I mean, I even played with this stuff as a kid. Actually, I played with micro machines, and my brother and I were obsessed. My brother had like the carpet that had like the little micro machine town, and then he had all of the little cars. Micro machines were everything. Completely different from Hot Wheels, by the way. Micro machines were little, and love that stuff. Comment down below and let me know if you remember that as a kid in the 80s, or if you bought that for your kids. And I was obsessed with that stuff. But anyway, diving off topic as usual, I found building block stickers. I said, what? Building block stickers. My mind is exploding. But basically you get the stickers and then you can put it onto the Legos or the building block, and you decorate your block. What? How freaking genius is that? And I'm mad I didn't think of it. Do you ever just see some type of really simple invention and you're like, that's me every time, and this is one of those. And here's what it looks like. You get like a sheet. I feel like I got all of them, but it was, I probably didn't. Here's this one. I don't know what's going on with him, but this has a Halloween look to it. Isn't that freaking cute? Little zombie packet. It fits all leading brands, so it's compatible. So that's really cool. 47 pieces, basically 47 stickers for $1. Peel and stick, use over and over. So you can remove it and move it to different blocks. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I don't know why, but I think it's amazing. And then here's a little princess one. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute. And P.S. Dollar Tree sells the blocks. They sell these little Lego people and all kinds of things. I've been really getting into hauling toys, if you can't notice. Like, my niece, I don't need to have another kid. I get that through her whenever, you know, we spend time together. I mean, my kid's about to be 20. If I gave her this, she would just look at me like, do I need to call a doctor? But, oh my gosh. Oh my God. Did I get 2 of the same thing? Did I? See, this is why I was confused, because don't they look different? But they're the same sticker sheet, I think. I don't know, just pay attention to that. And I thought this was just, I am truly flabbergasted over this product. I think it's fantastic. Haven't used it, so I can't speak obviously to the quality of these stickers, but apparently you can use them over and over. The very last thing, small haul, I also shook. So the first time I looked at this, I was like, wait, that looks familiar. And then I saw the title, No Apologies, and I about choked on my saliva. Okay, because I was like, okay, this is a dupe to the game called Sorry! Exclamation point. And they have it at Dollar Tree. Of course, it's, you know, the pieces are different. The quality is gonna be, you know, pretty low compared to a nice, good, thick board game, and then the chess-like pieces. But look at this. It is a dupe to the game called Sorry, and the title now is hilarious. Oh, no apologies. I mean, who was in charge of that? Who? Can you imagine that meeting? Okay, listen, gang, we are going to do a dupe to the sorry game, and you, Bob, are in charge of coming up with a name that has a similar concept. Can you imagine what was flying around? My bad, or oops, or sorry, not sorry. But no, they went with no apologies. All right, I think the safest thing for us to do is for me to step away from no apologies, and let's dive into the Walmart portion of this haul. So I was picking up my my pickup grocery order, and I realized that I needed a hose because I'm going to be spraying my backyard for weeds. And I was looking for my hose, and I was like, where's my hose? And it's a whole thing. So I guess when I moved and all that whole drama, the hose did not come with me. So before I picked up my groceries, I walked inside of Walmart and got a hose. Long story short, here are the other things I also bought while I was in the store, because do you ever walk out with just the one single thing? Sometimes I have, and I bet a lot of you have too. So I picked up another athletic top. I really love their athletic stuff. And I just love black. I'm addicted to it, especially for my workout gear, which isn't a great idea because I love to jog outside and black draws heat, but listen, I love to sweat too. So it is a really pretty top, real plain. I love that it's longer in the back. I love that. And I love the simple detail of this little like pleat here. And it is their athletic wear. I got a medium and it was on sale for $5. So I said, yep. I also picked up just a plain white tee. I just like the basics. You know this about me. This white is really blinding the camera, isn't it? It has, there we go, just a simple V-neck, also in a medium. I feel like this will be really, I'll love to dress this up in the summer with some high-waisted shorts, you know, sandals. I can dress it up and add some jewelry, add my, you know, hoops, add my baseball cap. I can dress it down, not wear any makeup, wear it with some leggings, and, you know, even with jeans, tuck it into the high-waisted part. For me, this will work in a variety of different styles, and I spent $4 or $5 on that too. Okay, this next product is gonna be kind of difficult to explain, but I'm trying to decorate the upstairs media bathroom. And I have a white lantern that actually used to be in my bedroom, and I pulled it into the guest bathroom. I bought this like boxwood wreath, candle wreath thing, but the lantern's like yay high, and then the boxwood is really short. So it just like, there's this like this void space. So I thought that I could elevate the boxwood candle thing, and you'll see it in a makeover. And I got this. I wanted something black because it's gonna be like a modern farmhouse. And it is like one of those tea light burner things, whatever this is called. It was only $2. And I thought that this could give me the height that I need. And yeah, that video is actually, I'm hoping that video is gonna be released this week. That's what I have on target for the media room bathroom reveal. So if you're not subscribed, stick around, click the bell in case you're not being notified. Whoa! Of when my videos come out. That way you just know as soon as they launch. Okay, the next couple of things, actually I got one thing from Amazon, so I pulled it into this haul too because it didn't make it in time for my Amazon haul video that I recently did. I also got my Alexa Dot. Okay, yeah, she didn't turn on. I actually got that. I got that, no joke, right after I finished filming. And I was like, and I still hadn't edited the video, and I thought, well, I could just film a little quick clip, but listen, I didn't want to. But I did get the Dot in, and I got the Neutrogena sheer body spray thing. So this is that thing I was telling you guys where apparently if you spray it on, it'll give you a nice like highlighting glow. But I also got it because my daughter's been going outside and tanning, and she is way, poor thing, she's just way too fair to tan, and she's just trying so hard. But the girl needs some sunblock, okay? So I got this, but yeah, so anyways, while I was at Walmart, they have that there too, so FYI, so you can get it pretty much Target, probably Ulta, like all kinds of places that you can get this at. Now, my daughter, I was looking for my complexion stick. If you didn't watch my Amazon haul, you don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm about to show you. It was gone, and I was starting to freak out because it's why my dark circles are gone. I'm not even wearing a color corrector, people. Do you see this? Like, this is nuts. And she had taken it, and I said, oh no, you don't. So she likes to do that too, you know, she's 19. She comes into my bathroom, and it's crazy because I'll ask her, do you need anything? Do you want anything? And she'll just say no, but then she comes in my bathroom and takes everything. And I'm just like, I gotta go up the flight of stairs that's gonna make my heart beat out of my chest. So anyway, the point is, I wanted to get it for her. Now, I actually got my complexion stick from Amazon, but they ended up having it at the Walmart because at the time, it's a whole long story, but at the time that I watched this on TikTok, I went to Amazon and bought it. And then later that night, I was in my bed on my grocery app for Walmart, and I was like, what else do they have from Burt's Bees? That's when I bought the cleanser and the night cream. Anyway, turns out, like I mentioned in the video, I think I mentioned it, that these things are available at Walmart too. Anyway, I got her one. This is a really long explanation, I'm really sorry. But I got her a complexion stick, and then while I was there, I said, let me see what else Burt's Bees has, because the first time that I was getting it, I was going through the app with the night cream and the cleanser, but then this time I was actually in the store. So I picked this up for her. It is a Acne Solutions treatment from willow bark. It's a pore refining scrub, so it has that salicylic acid. I know how to say it, it's just not happening today. And then this is the toner. I've been loving it. By the way, update on the cleanser. I've been using that morning cleanser and I'm obsessed. I'm so in love. I feel like it's gonna, I think I'm still gonna keep my Cetaphil, but I'm gonna interchange them out. But I've been really loving that daily cleanser. It's so soft and beautiful on my skin, and I just, hello, Burt's Bees, who knew? I think that's it. Anyways, yeah, so that's it for today's haul. I feel like I have been a little over the top today, but stay tuned for Tuesday's video. We're gonna be doing a decor haul. I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be Tuesday morning, and I think it's gonna have Hobby Lobby stuff. I'm still trying to figure out all of like how I'm doing my videos for the rest of the week, but I hope to see you guys there, and we'll get that craft room organized. And yeah, anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.